get this out of here. Oh. Yep. It's pretty nice. Yeah, this is on here pretty good. Let's rip it off. Wow. Interesting. There you have it. Let's plug everything together. See what we got. Kind of excited here. It's been a while since I bought a new laptop. 8 years or so, maybe longer. I used to get them at work, but that's long ago too now. Maybe 3 years since I've been done. Well, this is that, and that is that. So that will go there, and this can go. Ta-da! Yeah, you're gonna find the power. It's usually in the right rear corner, if I'm guessing. Yep, I'm guessing. And I'm right. Alright. So I happen to have a power socket over here. I'm gonna go into that one. If I can make it. Yeah, I can make it. Ooh. I thought these, yeah, I think so. How to turn the damn thing on, I guess would be the next question. There you go. It has a lit keyboard too, which I find very helpful. Booting up. Wow. Something new to look at every day. So we are in the United States. Sometimes I wish we weren't. Yep. I do have the password. Now it's checking for updates. So I shut the light off just so you could see the, and I could see the keyboard. So that's still on, isn't it? That looks pretty good. Welcome. LeBlanc laptop has been born. And what's next here? Alright, so we're just waiting on that, I guess. LeBlanc laptop, make sure I hit next. And make it yours. Can you have it? No spaces. Oh, well, there you go. Thanks for telling me. Read the info, Carol always says, right? Delete, where are you? Now we can go. I hate it when I do that. So basically, this is a stripped down laptop. I didn't get any Microsoft suite products or anything like that. I'm going to just load it up with video editing, and I'll get a notepad type word processor, and I want to do some YouTube creating and work my GoPro into this and have a lot of storage and enough capacity to flip those big files around and create longer videos. That's the key to becoming a more frequently watched creator on YouTube. So that's part of my quest in this, and it is time consuming. I spent a good chunk of time on Sunday working on an old trip video when I was motorcycling up in Quebec. So that's coming out soon, so if you're interested, you keep an eye out. Subscribe to my channel too. You're viewing this on my channel. It's in the bottom right hand corner. You'll see a red square. You can click on that and that'll bring you into a subscribe box if you haven't seen the ability to do that yet. And just put your info in there and hit subscribe, or hit subscribe, put your info in, hit OK. So that's the way it works, as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, it's going to take me a long time to get to, what do I need, 1,000 subscribers? I've got 12 now. So the longer videos, let's see, I can do that. Okay, let me just do something here and turn that away while I put some personal information in. Well, as the story goes, I've been adding all my personal choices, and I did opt for the Microsoft 365 free trial, but I'll probably pay for it for a year, so it's worth having. I'm a Microsoft kind of guy. I started out using Lotus and WordPerfect 5.1. But, you know, everything's moved to Microsoft this day and age. So I'm excited. I don't know what to expect, but I'm going to put this thing through the paces here. And I want to see if I can record my guitar playing through my microphone, my Blue Yeti, into this, hook up my GoPro, just do it and use it as a webcam as well. And, you know, try to kick things up a little bit. It's a lot of figuring things out. I mean, I talked about that before, but I guess that's the step forward, is to keep trying to solve problems. So anyway, it's interesting. And here you see I'm being asked. Okay, that's my name down there. It has some personal stuff. Okay, this is my desktop apparently. And I can check my mail. Welcome to mail, add account. So I've got my account right there. That's, yep. There you go, that's my Hotmail. I'm in. in this Mount Rainier. A lot of you know that I spent some time out there, and how appropriate that it would come up as my first image on my new laptop. Anyway.